Sue says, I purchased a Clean Go kit from your website and I've received it, but I now don't know what is the different mop heads in there. And I'm a little bit confused as to the instructions on what to do. Sue, first thing is we have this white mop head. We have our cleaner. We have our mop head itself. We have a little guide as to how to do that. And then in the side of this box, for those of you that haven't had it yet, the side of the box folds open. And inside the side of the box, you will find the handle of the mop. So, your handle, which is locking into each other, I would not do that now. Your cleaning guide, you will find all in there. You have your mop head with a microfiber mop. You have your cleaner, which is a spray cleaner. This is a general, everyday, keep on top of the muddy footprints cleaner. And then you have this fluffy mop head. Now, what do you do? Sue is asking, what would I do? I do not know what's going on here. Okay, Sue, here's what I would advise. This white mop head is a dry soil removal tool. So that means basically like your broom or like your vacuum cleaner, it's nice and soft. It's got long, fiddly, fluffy bits that can grab the dry soil, and you can mop the floor dry using this. It will have a bit of static electricity and grab any dry soil. Now, of course, if there's a lot of dry soil, I would advise rather use a broom or something like that to sweep the floor, but this would just get light soil and dust off the floor. Once you've done it with this, you will, of course, look at this, how easy that is. So this is your microfiber. You remove that, you put your little fluffy mop on there. Of course, your handle is attached to that, and you can go ahead and use this as a dry mop of your floor, just dry soil removal. Once that's done, you peel this away, and if it's very dirty, you can shake it out and put it in the washing machine. You can then go and change this over to the orange microfiber mop, and you will then use your spray cleaner, which is this one over here, and you spray and mop, you clean your floor that way. So that is how I would advise you use it. It has been very successful for many years. We've been supplying this product, and I would advise that that is an easy way to do every day, keep on top of it. Now, of course, every few weeks when the floor needs a deep clean, that's the point where you're going to pull out your mop and bucket and you're going to make your cleaning solution, and you'll be using the Pallmann Neutral Clean. That product will then be used to clean the floor deeply, and this product will be used to just keep on top of it. Now, if this runs out, do not throw the bottle away, because this bottle is brilliant. I love these sprayers. They are really easy to adjust. They're very good quality, and you can just mix a new cleaning solution in there by using the Pallmann Cleaning Neutral Cleaner. Dilute it 100 to 1, fill up your bottle, and you're good to go again. And best of all, you save the environment because you don't throw the bottle away. So please go ahead, save the environment, use the bottle again, and that way you keep on top of it.